It's time to eat! But I don't want to eat it. You can count on us. We will help you make delicious and nutritious meals. Broccoli! I am Broccoli. I can enable you to poop easily. I want to turn into stir-fried broccoli with shrimp. Wow! Small pieces of broccoli have been picked. The broccoli pieces are a bit dirty and gonna take a bath. Hello, shrimps! Would you like to turn into stir-fried dish with me? Great! We would love to! Hello, Carrot! Would you like to join us to turn into stir-fried dish together? Of course! The carrot will enrich the flavor of this dish. time to eat. The broccoli is so delicious. The broccoli is tasty and healthy. I'm gonna have it every day.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.